there's your two-tone truck. Yeah, the Joe painted. Michael Weston burn notice. This is sweet, right? Joe's father has an Impala in the garage. Has 20,000 miles on it. Never used it. I'm not sure what year it is. These make fast rides right here. The little Mustang.
Bottle up.
Oh yeah, this is Joe. Joe's friend. I'll show you who he is. You should be able to pick him right now.